In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video to Twitter from desktop. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end you'll be able to share any video from your computer directly to your Twitter or X account. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and go to the X Home dashboard. You can do this by typing the X website address into the address bar and logging in if you aren't already. Once you're logged in, you should land on your home feed, where you normally see posts from people you follow. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option that says Post. This is usually in the same column as your Home, Explore, and Messages icons. Click on Post, and a new post window will open, usually in the center of your screen. This is where you'll create the tweet that will include your video. At the bottom of this compose window, you'll see several icons. Look for the media icon, which looks like a small picture or landscape. It's typically located in the bottom left area of the composer. Click on that media icon. This tells X that you want to add a photo or video from your device. When you click the media icon, a file browser window will open, showing the folders on your computer. Navigate to the location where your video is saved. It helps to have your video already prepared and named clearly so you can find it quickly. Click once on the video file you want to upload, then click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. X will begin uploading the video, and you'll see a small preview appear inside the post window. Give it a moment if the file is large or your internet connection is slow. Now, click into the caption field above the video preview. This is where you'll type the text that will appear with your video. You can describe what's in the video, add context, or include relevant hashtags to make it easier for others to discover. Keep an eye on the character count so you don't go over the limit. Before you post, look in the bottom left of the composer for the reply settings. Here you can decide who can reply to your post, such as everyone, people you follow, or only people you mention. Choose the option that best fits the kind of interaction you want. Once you're happy with your caption, your video, and your reply settings, you're ready to publish your video post from desktop.